Did you know that a few simple car hacks can save you money, keep your vehicle in better condition, and even make driving safer? Whether you're a new driver or you've been behind the wheel for years, these practical tips can make a big difference in your everyday driving experience. Here are 10 car hacks every driver should know. 1. Use the sun visor to block side glare. Most drivers only flip the sun visor down, but it also swings to the side. This simple trick helps block sunlight coming through the driver's side window, reducing glare and making driving much safer during sunrise and sunset. 2. Check tire pressure when tires are cold. Always check your tire pressure before driving or after the car has been parked for a few hours. Cold tires provide the most accurate pressure reading, helping improve fuel economy, tire lifespan, and overall safety. 3. Use a penny to check tire tread. If you don't own a tread gauge, use a coin as a quick way to estimate tread depth. While it's not as precise as a proper measuring tool, it can help you notice when your tires may be getting too worn and need closer inspection or replacement. 4. Keep a microfiber cloth in your car. A microfiber cloth is perfect for cleaning your windshield, mirrors, dashboard, and touchscreen without scratching them. It also quickly removes fog, fingerprints, and dust for better visibility. 5. Park facing east during winter. If you live in colder climates, parking your car facing east allows the morning sun to help melt frost or thin ice on your windshield, saving you time before your commute. 6. Turn off accessories before starting the engine. Before starting your vehicle, make sure accessories like the air conditioner, headlights, and radio are turned off. This reduces the electrical load during startup and can help reduce strain on the battery, especially in older vehicles. 7. Know the fuel door trick. Not sure which side your fuel cap is on? Look at the small fuel pump icon on your dashboard. The arrow beside it points to the side where the fuel door is located, saving you from pulling up to the wrong pump. 8. Don't ignore small windshield chips. A tiny chip can quickly turn into a large crack due to temperature changes or road vibrations. Repairing a small chip early is usually much cheaper than replacing the entire windshield. Always stay alert and avoid using it in heavy traffic or bad weather. 9. Use cruise control on long highways. When road conditions are appropriate, cruise control helps maintain a steady speed. This can improve fuel efficiency, reduce driver fatigue, and make long trips more comfortable. Always stay alert and avoid using it in heavy traffic or bad weather. 10. Keep an emergency kit in your car. Every vehicle should have a basic emergency kit containing a flashlight, jumper cables, first aid supplies, a tire pressure gauge, bottled water, and a phone charger. You never know when these essentials might save the day. These simple car hacks may seem small, but they can help you drive smarter, stay safer, and even save money over time. Which hack surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful car tips, driving hacks, and automotive facts every week.